Hare Krishna. We'll proceed on our journey with 61st verse of 2nd chapter from the Bhagavad Gita as it is. Sanskrit verse is as follows. Tani sarvani sayyamya yuktaḥ āsīta paraḥ vashehi yasya indriyani tasya pragya pratisthita. English translation is as follows. One who restrains his senses, keeping them under full control, and fixes his consciousness upon me, is known as a man of steady intelligence. To explain this verse, Srila Prabhupada gives a nice example. As a blazing fire burns everything within a room, Lord Vishnu, situated in the heart of the yogi, burns up all kinds of impurities. It is highlighted that being Krishna conscious is the only and sure shot means to control our senses. Tempting desires are like germs that infect us, but we can resist temptation by learning to connect with all pure Supreme Krishna and thereby purging impurities out of our consciousness. This verse of the Bhagavad Gita stresses this protective potency of absorption in Krishna. When we engage in devotional practices, we get an immunization. We get the insight and taste to better resist temptation. To become sustainably immune, we need to cultivate the consistent habit of spiritually connecting with Krishna so that we gradually become absorbed in Him. We need to develop a steady, strong taste for His sweetness and His service. Practical things we can do to develop that taste is to chant His names, read books like the Bhagavad Gita and the Śhrīmad Bhāgavatam, associate with devotees, and render some practical services in temples. Thankfully, becoming absorbed in Krishna is not too difficult. If we try earnestly to turn our heart from the world to Krishna, we can relish deep satisfaction, lasting peace, and happiness. Hare Krishna. Thank you. We'll discuss 62nd verse from the 2nd chapter in the next episode.